haven't done in a while. This is exciting. And we got a long way to go. Apparently there's a koala. Koala, did you say?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is it? Oh, it's free. Wow. Thank you. Oh my gosh, the koala is so beautiful. Exciting, exciting. A little bit of that.
A little bit.
Little bit.
But we'll hit Tripla Mountain Pascal.
Yeah. How's the lookout? People are saying there's not much of a view up there, but we'll see.